teaching, this lady took over the classes and all by herself took the art courses to a great new height. Her art classes are one that no Clover Mama Africa wants to miss. And through this teacher's loving and kind way of teaching, all Clover Mama Africas have become artists in their own way in a record time. All the mamas have learned there is no such thing as a mistake, and if you want to change anything on your painting, you can. So I think you all need to meet this lovely lady. She's the fun and arty one, the heart of creative arts, Yzette van der Merwe. The next lady is the best baker in Kloof I know.